Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Puda D240. Now this is an exact clone of the Xhover Stingy frame. I'll leave a link to the original down below. And this is just a blatant 1000% copy clone of it, like every single aspect of it from what I see, except the quality. Now the quality is noticeably not good here. As you can see, like you can tell in the carbon. Let me show you an example here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but right there. And the cuts here are very nasty. You can see it just like, it's a very cheap copy. And but they did get the dimensions exactly right. So it is from Puda, and it does have 4mm arms. It's a true X, and it has a top mount battery. Now as you can see here in the pictures, it would seem to have an anti-slip kind of sticker here, but this is not just foam. So I don't know why they, why they even bother with that. And it's a pretty cheap foam actually. Even the tape on the bottom was kind of peeling off. So this thing goes for around 30 bucks, 35 bucks. And it's just an exact copy of the Stingy frame. Now, I know I'm gonna get a lot of shit for this, but just some people probably wanted to see it. The quality isn't fully there. However, everything aligned pretty good. The inside amount of space we have is around 20mm. So it's a pretty, it's like a low rider frame here, and overall it seems like it could possibly take a hit. I mean, here we have this extra carbon fiber piece to have this. I don't know why this is doing that, but it's probably for the camera, so we could have enough space to tilt back and forth in there. The camera mounting solution seems good. It does look like I have a GoPro mounting solution, so if you're into that, you can totally go ahead and do that. For VTX, the SMA port, there's really nothing, but they do have some mounting solutions here, which might make it a bit difficult because your battery's probably going to be up to here, so take that into consideration. If you have a GoPro here, then yeah, that'll be kind of you have to get creative here. Overall, I mean, it seems pretty nice. There wasn't any missing hardware. The hardware was all there. I did have an extra couple pieces, which is very good to see. The camera plates here are 2mm. Everything here is 2mm except the arms. The arms are 4mm. This thing weighs 120 grams, give or take 1 gram. So anywhere between 119 grams to 121 grams. So I got it. It was just around flush 120 grams. But overall, I mean, it's just an exact clone of it. So if you've seen that one, you'll know what this one is. And yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's not bad at all, actually. The carbon isn't the best carbon, kind of seems like it's starting to delaminate itself a little bit, so take that into consideration. It does have separate arms, and it is a true X, if I've already mentioned that, so take that into consideration also. And overall, that's really it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know, and I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.